All right, so today is 8-3, and it's factoring again. And we're going to look at things that they have in common, problems that are alike, and then we're going to factor from there. If you think about this as a puzzle, okay, and you actually have what the end looks like, and you're trying to figure out the pieces that you put together. Okay, so everybody write this one down. X squared plus 15x plus 36. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to factor this into two polynomials. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write it down as two sets of parentheses. George, write this down. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the first member of this. Okay? The first member of this. What can we factor x squared into? Okay? X times what? X times x, right? That's the only way we can get x squared. So we know that this is going to have to be x and this is going to have to be x. Is everybody okay with that? All right, so now look at this. This is addition and this is addition. When they're both addition, then it means the problems are going to both be addition. We'll deal with that in a minute. Let's stay focused on what we're doing. All right, so now we're going to look for the factors of 36 that when we add them, it'll give you 15. 9 and... Okay, so here, let's just talk about it. We know it's 1 and 36. Will that work? No. 2 and 18. Will that work? Yeah. 3 and 12. Will that work? Yes. Okay, so that means that one of these is going to be 3 and one of these is going to be 12.
Oh, I get it. So like 12 plus 3 is 13.
Right. See, if you work this, okay, you remember chapter 7, right? We multiplied polynomials. And what did we get? We got this. So now we're going in the opposite direction. Now we're taking our trinomial and we're making it into two polynomials. Everybody okay? Right. All right, look here, let's do another one. What if we had x squared plus 10x plus 24? Okay, so what do we know we need? Okay, good. We know we're going to need an x and an x. Why do we know we're going to need an x and an x? Good, because it's x squared. Okay, what else can you tell me? 2 plus signs. Why 2 plus signs? Good, because they're both positive in here. Okay, what did you say? Why? Now, does it matter if I make this 6 and this 4?
I don't think so.
Nope, doesn't matter at all. Right, because multiplying is commutative. Good job.
Because when they multiply together, they have to equal the last number that's added into the...
Exactly. Exactly.
Go the other way around? Or... Like, could they be multiplied together to equal 10?
Nope. Yep. All right, so let's do this. X squared plus 7x plus 12. X and x, good.
It's going to be a plus and a plus.
Plus and a plus. Okay, so think of the multiples of 12. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. 3 and 4. Why 3 and 4?
Because it equals 7.
Yep, has to add up to equal 7. Okay, let's look at this one. Let's do x squared plus 6x plus 9.
So that's 3.
Why?
Because 3 was 3 is 6.
Okay, so look at this. How else could you write this?
X plus 3 squared.
Good, perfect. X plus 3 squared.
Is that the second, or can you say squared?
Either or. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now let's look at this one. It's not. We're not doing those yet. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Let's do, oh, sorry, didn't mean that. Let me get rid of it. Okay, let's do x squared plus 4x plus 3.
But that doesn't work.
X
X plus and plus.
plus and plus.
Oh, and it's a 3 and a 1.
Yes, a 3 and a 1.
To make 4?
That's right.
Unless it's like that, doesn't the middle number have to be smaller than the bigger number unless it's that number? Well, you're just confusing.
No, don't try to make other rules. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so is everybody okay? These were plus, and that made these plus and plus.
Yes.
Everybody's okay with these, right?
Well, I don't
Alright,
Look, you made
so
it
now,
the same thing.
yeah, I did. So now let's look at this. X squared minus 8x plus 15.
It's going to be X minus
Okay, let's do this. 2 sets of parentheses. Everybody okay so far?
It's going to be like plus minus
Okay, now what?
X.
X and X.
Minus and plus.
Okay, so you say minus
I say minus
and
minus.
plus.
That
Alright,
is
so
correct.
if it's minus and plus, are we going to add to get this? Are we going to add to get
I'm
this?
going to go with if you're subtracting the
Okay, she said, oh, what, Bailey? She said if you do a negative and a negative, you get a positive. So let's look at what Bailey's saying. X, X. She said if you do a negative and a negative, you'll get a
I said
positive.
like a while ago. I did.
Thanks, George. I guess I just didn't hear you.
Okay.
Okay, so let's try what you guys were saying. So what factors do you want to use of 15?
Negative 3 and 5.
Okay, so you want, if we try it this way, what do you want here?
Negative 3.
You want this negative 3 and you want this positive 5?
Yeah.
Okay, and you want this 3 and this 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so now how do we figure out if this is right? What did we do?
Solve it.
Solve it. Okay, so x times x, x squared, and then we'd have x times 5, 5x, negative 3x, negative 15. So does it work?
Not that
All